love banana bread, you love banana bread. We love banana bread, banana bread, banana bread, banana.
Hello, we're going to make some banana nut bread this morning. Pretty excited. If you have not made banana nut bread before and only bought it, this is how you make it. You wait till the bananas get nasty and gross, and then you smash them up. So let's get started. And there's mess number one. I was doing so well this morning. Okay, that is looking nice and mixed. Crack them one at a time. As we know, sometimes I get shells, so I like to crack them in something separate. And on the rare occasion, it's very rare nowadays, but if you get a bad egg, especially if you're using homegrown eggs, homegrown, you know what I mean. Garnish. I have some more sugar in the raw, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the top. It'll be nice and baked in, crusty when it comes out. The way I learned banana bread, at least with the freezing the bananas when they're bad, and then you can just use them later, was from my grandma. She used to put them in her freezer, and then at Christmas time, pull out a bunch of bananas and make banana bread. A lot of them. So, and pass it out to family and friends, which I kind of thought was interesting. Kind of looked gross to me at first, but it still tastes the same, tastes good, tastes delicious. Forget good. Okay, so the timer is done. We've actually cooked it for 60 minutes.
Wow.
The bread is done cooling. It was resting on a cooling rack in the pan for about 10 minutes. And we're going to go ahead and take it out of the pan. I'm going to use my knife here.
I love banana bread, you love banana bread. We love banana bread, banana bread, banana bread,
See what happens here.
banana bread. banana bread, banana
Oh, look at
bread.
the steam.
I love banana bread,
I don't know if you
you
can
love
see that,
banana
but
bread. We love banana bread,
yeah,
banana
that's some good
bread,
steam right there.
banana bread,
Cut this down.
banana bread, banana bread, banana bread, banana bread, banana bread,
I'll put some coffee
banana
butter
bread,
on it.
banana bread.
Probably too much, but honestly, the best way to have banana bread once it's fresh out of the oven. Doesn't that look delicious? So yummy looking. I like the heel of the bread. I don't know why, probably more crunch. Perfect. So good. You have to make it. It's delicious. Hot cheese. Thank you for joining me today. Please like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. Okay, so the bread is done cooling. I set it on the cookie rack or cooling. I set it